Welcome to another questions and answers video series, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Today's question is, what is the best font to use for a funeral program? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making helpful and useful content to equip you during a time of loss. During the already emotional funeral planning process, we are here to assist you in learning more about all things related to funeral and memorial services. Creating your own funeral program can help you make a personalized printed memorial in honor of a loved one's memory. The DIY Funeral Program Templates at the Funeral Program site offers the largest selection of themes and backgrounds, which enables you to find the best choice for your service. Once you have chosen your design and style, you can begin entering your information by replacing the filler text with your own wording. We offer two options for DIY funeral programs: our easy-to-use online editor or our funeral templates for immediate download. Either choice offers maximum flexibility in the layout and design process. Our templates include pre-selected fonts within the filler text, but you are free to change them as you like. We recommend keeping the script fonts to a minimum and only using them for very short quotes and headings, for easy legibility. Script fonts are beautiful, but can be difficult to read if used for an entire paragraph or page. When using script fonts within the funeral program, the less is more principle applies. The body font should be an easy-to-read font, such as Arial, Times or Helvetica, since the body text will contain more information. You can choose to keep the font in a regular case or italicize them. Keep bolded words to a bare minimum, and should only be used for a business name or your loved one's name at the beginning of a paragraph. Your finished typesetting should be easy on the eyes and engage the reader into the text. Keep in mind, the fonts you choose are limited to what you have installed on your computer. There are many online resources for free fonts to download. We will link some of our favorites and recommended sites below. Selecting the correct fonts will help produce a beautiful layout and add a professional element to your completed program. Thanks for watching another questions and answers video. We offer the largest variety of styles and themes, and each will enable you to customize the program to your specific needs. View our collections today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.